Hey there everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to fix Apex Legends crashing on startup or any crashes issue. So just before we do begin with this video though, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, open up your Steam, click library, right click on your game, click properties, install files, and verify integrity of game files. Basically what it's going to do, it's going to fix any corrupted files or missing files that might cause the crashes or even the startup crash. So wait for it to finish. As you can see, it's currently loading up. Once it finishes, it will say all files successfully validated. Close that out and relaunch your game. Now, if the problem still persists, go ahead and right click on your game once more. Hover up to manage, browse local files, and go to the application tab with the executable file, so your game.exe, right click on it, properties right over here, click compatibility, and check disable full screen optimization and run this program as administrator. Click apply and then OK. One quick tip though, make sure to try the lowest settings for the game first and try to make your way up until it fixes the crashes. Now once done, go ahead and launch the game from the folder itself right over here. Close that out and see if the problem still persists. Now, if the problem still persists, what I'd recommend is basically closing Steam right over here. Click on the tray arrow right over here. Right click on NVIDIA settings or NVIDIA app. On the left panel, click drivers right over here and download the latest available GPU driver for your graphics driver. Now, once the download is done, do the installation process. And what I'd recommend on the installation process though, make sure to do the express installation as it bypasses any problems doing the install. Once done, exit this out, restart your PC, and it should be fixed. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video, subscribe, and have a great rest of your day. Peace.